as the back-to-back.
Oh my God, lahat kayo! Si Ferg!
As the back-to-back-to-back-to-back.
Lahat sila! Guys, lahat sila! Si Ferg yung ano. Ginagatasan nila.
Back-to-back number one player. Because I'm the six-time back-to-back-to-back-to-back-to-back number one player.
Back to back to back to back number one player. But that was 7 years ago. First.
Oh!
Zen Pro
Oh!
and Sonho Bald.
At least maganda rebat ni ano. Maganda rebat ni Toot 7 years ago. Well, chat, alam nyo naman, habang tumatagal, mas gumagaling mga players. Tama? 7 years ago. Tama. Maganda yung rebat. I like it. W's. I like it. Dapat ngayon.
2 for 1 special.
What if gawin natin tatlo ang magpapakalbo? Pwede mo akong idagdag. Pwede ako magpakalbo. Yun ay kung makakatungtong ka ng conqueror.
Oh! Absolute cinnamon! Woo! Sabi ko sa inyo, aura farming lang. Aura farming silang tatlo. My goodness, I like it. Ewan ko sa inyo.